In this video, we will look at search operation and fundamental search algorithms in computers. Searching is the process of going through items of the array one at a time looking for a particular value. We will discuss following fundamental algorithms related to search operation. Sequential search with unsorted array, sequential search with sorted array, and binary search. Sequential search is pretty straightforward. Starting from the first element of array, each element is visited until search becomes successful or null value is returned. In other words, search item is compared with first item. If it matches, search stops. If not, compare with second. This process continues. Following algorithm demonstrates the process with unsorted array numbers of length 10. Each position is visited if items at any position equals search item found is set to true, else we move to next position in the array by updating the variable position by 1. This example demonstrates searching for element 2 in given unsorted array. In sorted array, if position where item might exist is greater than length, it item will not be in the array. In the array named data, while index or position is less than the length of the array, we will look at each item. If it matches, found is set to true, or if data at index is greater than search item, we can either stop the search by setting index variable equal to length of array, or if data of index is less than the search item, we will update the index variable by 1 to compare the data at next position. This process repeats until we have found the item. Binary search algorithm uses divide and conquer strategy to search item starting at the middle of the array. The binary search algorithm assumes that array is already sorted. With each comparison, half of the array is eliminated. Search item is compared with middle item of the array. If item is equal to the search item, search stops. If search item is less than the middle item, it will be present in first half. If search item is greater than the middle item, it will be present in the second half. This process is repeated for the half of the array in which item might exist. With each comparison, array portion will be reduced to half. Search will stop if item is found, or array where item might exist is empty. Binary search algorithm uses variable first pointing to index of first element and last pointing to index of last element. With each comparison, if item is not found, any one of these variables is updated. If search item is less than middle item, variable last is updated with value of middle minus 1, and if item is greater than middle item, first is updated with value of middle plus 1. This example shows how value 5 is found in the given array using binary search. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe to support this channel.